Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix MSVCP140.dll is missing and was not found in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for Chrome. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match and click on Open to continue and wait until you are being redirected to your Google Chrome browser. Once you are here, please proceed at the description box below. You can see there a link which I'll be pasting. Okay, you just have to copy it. Control C to copy. Okay, and once you have copied it, proceed at the window search bar and paste it by pressing Control V to paste. Once you have pasted it, click on enter and wait until you are being redirected to the result. Okay, so you would be able to be redirected at the mediafire.com website where it has this attachment link where you can see the MSVCP140.dll or .rar file which is missing in your Windows. So in order to fix the problem, we are going to download one so that we would be able to fix it. So click on this option and wait until it will be starting to download. Okay. So you just have to close this window so that you can focus on this one at the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a download option. Click on it. And in my case, it is already being done. You just have to wait until a file folder icon like this would appear. And once it's here, click on it so that you would be able to show it in folder. Okay. So there you would be able to see this where you need to extract the file, this file on it. Into a new folder. How we can do such? Please do a right click. Okay. And there you would be able to see extract all. Tap on it. And the moment you have the click on it, you need to go with extract to confirm your action and wait until it will be done. And wait until you would be able to see a new folder here which contains the DLL file. Okay. So you can see there the type of that which is DLL file. Okay. So you just have to do a right click here and click on this copy icon. Okay. The moment you have to click on it, you need to navigate here at the this PC icon. Click on it. Go with your C drive or local disk. Click on it and navigate to your Windows. Double tap to it and you need to scroll down and look for a file folder named System32. So double tap once again and here in this area, please do a right click and go with paste. It the destination already has the file name, which in my case, I have already the DLL file. So just have to go and replace the file with the destination. Try again. And in your case, you have to continue. Anyway, I have already the file, so thus I'm going to cancel it. Okay. But in your case, you have to do so. You'd be able to proceed since that file is missing and you would be able to paste it here. Once done, directly proceed at the backward arrow to back on Windows. Okay. And here, this time you need to scroll down and look for a second file folder named syswow64. Do the same, and that is to do a right click here, go with paste icon, and continue. In my case, I have already the file. That's why I'm not gonna continue. Okay. So wait until it will be done. Okay, in my case, it is already being added here. Once you're done, close this window. Okay, and close your browser window as well and restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.